look here now. When you're doing the right thing now, no, I will not shout. I will not talk too much. Hi guys, it's Good Friday. Happy, you guys do this happy Good Friday. Alright, let's make breakfast for my children. These are cooking beans and potato. I already made my beans last night, and I want to cook beans. I pre-cook. Hey, I cook it the previous night, so it will be faster the next morning. Full of pot because it's been a long while I put on my food. If you like, be tired of bending. You can sweep. You can sleep to sweep it. You can lie down to. It might only for you to sweep. You know. I've finished. Oh, come on, keep on.